Today we're talking about how to use Labradorite. Use Labradorite when you want to dream big and push past self-limiting beliefs. An affirmation you can repeat out loud while meditating with your piece of Labradorite is "I am limitless," and repeat that 3 times. While meditating with your Labradorite crystal, ask yourself, how can I take action to make my goal a reality? Continue to interact with your crystal until you receive an image of your goal, and place your piece of Labradorite in a spot where you'll see it daily. Wear Labradorite if you want to change or want to transform your way of life, and the powerful vibrations that are emitted from Labradorite help aid the wearer from shielding them against negativity that may be encircling them. The positive energy and the effects of Labradorite can be easily sighted by the wearer as it shows its results fairly early. In the home, place Labradorite on the southwest side of your home. When you do so, you'll open up your mind and connect with your spirit side. This can also help with any anxiety or stress you might be experiencing. And for cleansing your piece of Labradorite, we don't recommend using water, but you can cleanse your piece through your preferred method of smoke cleansing, or you can also place it underneath a full moon to cleanse and charge, or you can go ahead and put it on top of a piece of selenite.